Hello, hello. Whoever listens to this video. Anyways, I'm posting this up because I just want to share some thoughts. I've not as much. I feel like right now, not too much of retail is hopping back into the markets. I think this is actually one of the best times to hop back in, but I get it. It's like alt dominance is like really low. So I don't see a lot of people coming back in, but I've had a couple questions asking me about what I think about the markets by the end of the year and next year. Uh, I do want to mainly talk about the markets in this video, but this video is going to be how to get a couple of these alts that. So right now it looks like AI agents is the play. It was like last year we had, and the year before we had, well, not the year before, like 2021. There's always a fad when it comes to like meme coins or certain, I guess, token or coin popping off. There's always something. It's like AI. Now it seems like AI agents is the one. Before that was like NFTs, AI, meme coins surrounding like dogs, cats. Right now I'm seeing AI agents pop off, and two that are really good, and it's been mentioned too. I'm sure since they've been popping off, these two are probably the most headline. One of them I've had for like 2 years, and I think it is a really good project, and it's past the bootstrap. It's just building on the community and adding like the most promising software that would really send it flying. But right now I'm using one of those softwares. It's Pearl, and it's the software's Pearl, but the token is Auto Nolus Olas. So that's an AI agent. I want to show how to get that. And then the other one is Virtual. Virtual is popping off as well. It's also a software that helps in creating AI agents, but mainly those AI agents are used for like meme coins. But there's a lot of potential because we've seen in the last week or two just how much they've gone up. I couldn't even believe it how much virtuals went up. But a coin I had purchased, like a shit meme coin that I was like, whatever, throw some money into it, 5x, crazy. So we're back in the early stages of altcoin dominance. So that means meme coins and whatever the fad is going to pop off like they usually do. And it usually happens after you see a huge price surge in Bitcoin and then a cool off, meaning money made off of those is going to start allocating or being spread amongst those other things that are popping off. So I'm going to show real quick how to get um, auto notice. So first thing you're going to want to do, if you don't have a crypto wallet, you're going to have to make one. The one I recommend is Rabby.io. It's fast. It's very user friendly. I love it. It's much better than MetaMask. MetaMask is shit. I've been using MetaMask for years. I've been so accustomed to it, but when shit went down, like back in August and September, it's slow as fuck, dude. It was the worst. So I switched to Rabby, and I should have switched sooner to Rabby. Rabby's just so good. Um, so once you get that, I'm not gonna make this video really about getting your crypto wallet started. I'll make a separate video, but let's go to AutoNolis. I know on X it has, I think it's network. It's Olas, AutoNolis. I can maybe just go network. Yep, it's olas.network. I'm sure they have. So what I want is tokenomics. So right here, get Olas. Now you can see all the networks that AutoNolis has created their token on. Uniswap, I generally use Uniswap, but I have some Olas myself, and I have bought it on Ethereum, Polygon. I haven't done Solana, but Base might be a really good one. So I use a lot of Ethereum L2s. The reason why it's good to have these other networks is because Ethereum is notorious for having expensive gas fees, and it has a lot to do with just the network itself isn't fully scalable, and it already does so much. So the gas fees are quite expensive. So that's why there are these L2s, which are pieces of Ethereum basically, and these networks add to Ethereum, and their gas fees are pennies. Like Polygon, you're paying like 3 cents for every transaction. Arbitrum, you're paying like 3 cents as well. Base, 3 cents or a penny. It always varies depending on traffic, meaning if the market's volatile or not. But these are great. So it's saying if you want to get it, there's liquidity on Balancer. So you would go to Balancer. And now once you have your crypto wallet created, you're going to sign into that crypto wallet. You're going to connect to the wallet using Rabbi.io or Rabbi. It will quickly take you to the chain or network blockchain, so you can easily purchase it. And then you'll connect. Um, you'll want to accept the transaction, connect your wallet. So once you connected your wallet and you are looking to, so right here, you're gonna click that to Rabbi wallet once it's created. Now this next part, you're gonna want to pick the Olas token, and from first logging in, it should pop up for the one we need. So this one's on Polygon, but you can also go back to Olas and get the correct token or like a different blockchain. So all you got to do is just click on the token address. So I'm clicking the Polygon one. And as you can see, you would go to the right other info, copy the address, and just go back to Balancer and paste it. And so the first one came up, the Olas, just like the one I had selected. Once you connect your wallet, it should be that simple. It usually is that simple. It shouldn't be any problems. I'm not showing because, well, I don't want to show my wallet. Let's see. What else should I add? So you could do it for any of those blockchains. The reason why I select Olas is because compared to many other competitors like Tau, for example, it's a lot of speculation in terms of like capital, not just market capitalization, but what investors are looking to get out of it. And Olas, I see the most volume in terms of actually using AI agents. Just overall as a project, it's long term, I think, really good. What they have now is like these it's like it's very similar to like ChatGPT but for like markets, and they already have it's like dApps that you could use these AI agents on. So that's why I pick Olas. I think so far right now is showing a good chance of bumping up in price. The way I see it is I could see like this impulse it's gotten just tells me that it's going to go up even higher within the next 3 months. And what else should I add? Yeah, I'm just posting this because I get I haven't got many, but I've gotten some questions on what to invest in. And this is definitely one of them. Virtuals is the other one I'd also recommend. So you would just go on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, just type in virtuals, and you'll see it. It's like in 40 cents, but you'll see just based off of volume and traffic, like it'll probably be like the first one. And virtuals is honestly, I thought it was silly, the project itself, but it has shot up a lot, and I'm beginning to realize there's not a lot of projects that are capitalizing on AI agents because it's so difficult, or they haven't been working on this shit. And Olas has been working on this for quite a while. It reminds me, well, it's not really like Palantir, but it's like Palantir had been working on advanced AI for so long, and it took like I said, it took a while, so long for the price to actually be, for Palantir to be priced in to what it is now. It's now up in the high 40s. I remember Palantir was like low 7s. So I see this for Olas too. It's like mainstream or market just hasn't capitalized on it or just caught wind of some of this stuff. So that's why I think Olas is a good one to get into. Tau is also good, but it's very the price and what it's got going. I see Olas as a better investment, or virtuals. So if it's up to you. But this is just my 2 cents on what's good to invest in for the AI agents. Yeah.